Hey everyone, Dane with Import Image, and for this week's series we're going to be talking about cheap thrills and tight turns. So today we are going to be talking about FactionFab coilovers and what all they have to offer. So let's unbox it and see what you get. Alright, so opening the box, this is the FactionFab FL-Spec coilover kit for the 22 Plus WRX. First thing I see when I open this box is license plate frame and stickers, best part of all. Next, and this is specifically for the 22 Subaru WRX platform, you get adjustable front end links. These are important to have because when you raise or lower the car, you twist the lower mount and that moves it up or down. So these are adjustable to match that because they attach to it. Another piece in the box, you get your dampening adjuster rods and your spanner wrenches. And then you have packaging and your coilovers. So pulling these out of the box, it's kind of nice because FactionFab labels these saying what specific corner they go to. Okay, so with the FL-Spec V2 coilovers, these come with adjustable front camber plates, and then you will also get a radial bearing upgrade, which is nice. That helps keep the front end plush feeling when you're turning, so you won't get any when you're turning. And then the spring rates that's used on these is actually pretty mild for street cars. So if you are daily driving your car, or if you're planning on doing like some autocross or anything like that, this will be an excellent coilover for you. These, compared to others, these aren't super expensive. We have them on the site at just under $1,000, and we have quite a few of them here. So if you are looking for something for your daily driver that you're going to have a little bit of fun with, that FactionFab FL-Spec V2 is an excellent option for you. So with these FR-Spec V2 coilovers, a couple things that I initially noticed is that you get a aluminum upper adjustable camber plate. With these, you have a solid aluminum pillow ball. So compared to the FL-Spec, these will be a little bit more noisy because the FL-Spec comes with a PTFE lined radial bearing. These will have stiffer rates compared to the FL-Spec as well. These are more tailored towards stiffer driving, harder driving. So any kind of track use or anything like that, these would be a better option compared to the FL-Spec. These also come with the 30-way clickers, and you know, these, for what they're being sold for, is a really good bargain. And for someone that's not trying to break the bank with incredibly expensive coilovers, the FR-Spec V2 is a solid move for you to go with. So this is the entry level of what FactionFab has to offer. This is the F-Spec coilover. So as you can see, you just have a top hat. There's no adjustable camber up top here. You still can adjust camber through the camber bolts at the strut, but this coil set would probably be for the person that's literally just looking to drop their car, that wants something better than springs but doesn't want to spend top tier coilover money. This coilover, FactionFab says that it's the best for daily driving. With how the rates are set up, it would give you the most comfortable ride between the three offerings that they have. This set, it's rubber mounted top hat, so you know it won't be uncomfortable driving, and you know, if you're just looking to literally just lower your car, this is probably the move for you. You get 32 clicks in the dampening adjustment, so actually a little bit more compared to the FL-Spec or the FR-Spec, but not having adjustable front camber plates kind of limits you as far as how low you can go. But this will moderately lower your car, and if that's all you're looking to do, this is a perfect set for you. We have them on sale on the site right now for $890, which is one of the more cost-effective coilovers out there, and we got plenty of them, so you should buy one. So if you are trying to choose between the F-Spec, FL-Spec, FR-Spec, which one do you choose and why? Well, my choice between the three would be the FL-Spec, because I buy coilovers for handling, I buy coilovers for lowering, and I buy coilovers for a decent ride. So you get all of those with the FL-Spec compared to the other two. And not only that, but it's kind of like a middle of the road coilover compared to the other options that FactionFab makes. So if I was to buy one, I'd buy the FL-Spec, I'd put it on my car, I'd lower my car, and I would drive it how I want to drive it, because that's what it's all about when you buy coilovers. So we will have more brands coming later this week. So if you are looking for a set of coilovers, you should send me a message on the website and I can get you quoted on FactionFab or any other brand you're looking for.